Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Warm to my people and bless up and holy for respect. We in the kitchen again, vibe stays. Don't know rice and peas, turn up. Now run no joke. You understand? Nice jasmine rice and peas. I'm gonna show you how fluffy it is in a real life. Yeah man. We have a one pepper each up one side. You don't know the thing go already. On the next side of the show. Yeah man, we have some stew beef. Well nice, ready now. Yes man. And a joke thing. Looking very nice. Watch out one. There's an additional I got to you know. Stew beef. Butter bean we are doing in a day, yeah. So watch out one. So add in. So add in with butter bean, you know. Yeah man, that is it. Some stew beef and butter bean. So I left him make him go and simmer and come to perfection, and don't know the show go already. Vibe stays in the kitchen. I would do great things in the kitchen. You feel what I said to you? Yeah man. No joke. Rice and peas already done. Waiting for it done now going on the plate. Now we are dealing with Mr. Stew beef. We done set him up nice and wait for him now to go and simmer and settle and give you a nice vibes. Yeah, but then I watch One Piece in the background. Yes, it's a nice movie. You hear that? Peace and love now. Like and share now. Subscribe now. Big up all of the people who support Vibe Stays. They don't know the thing got. Yes man. YouTube, enough love. Instagram, you don't know. Facebook, the thing loud. You understand? Vibe Stays in the kitchen. Respect our manners.